Imagine investing just a few hundred or $1,000 and potentially walking away with either a substantial interest return or even a property. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly how tax lien investing works. But what happens after you buy a tax lien? Does money magically appear in your account? Do you get the property right away? Not quite. Stick around till the end, because we'll break down everything you need to know, and you won't want to miss the final step. Step 1. Issuance of the Tax Lien Certificate. Once you successfully bid and win a tax lien at an auction, you'll receive a Tax Lien Certificate from the county or municipality. This document serves as proof of your investment and outlines key details such as the interest rate you'll earn, the redemption period, time frame for the property owner to pay back taxes, any specific terms set by the county or state. This certificate does not give you ownership of the property yet, but it does give you the legal right to collect the debt owed, plus interest. Step 2. Waiting for the redemption period. Once you hold the tax lien certificate, the clock starts ticking for the redemption period, a legally defined time frame where the property owner can repay the overdue taxes, along with interest and penalties. This period varies by state, usually ranging from 6 months to 3 years. What happens during this period? You don't have any direct control over the property. The property owner is responsible for paying back taxes plus interest. You earn interest on your investment, typically between 5% and 36%, depending on the state. For many investors, this is the easiest way to profit. Simply sit back and wait to collect interest when the owner redeems the lien. Step 3. Collecting your interest, or principal. If the property owner redeems the lien within the allowed time, you get your initial investment back, plus the agreed-upon interest. This is the ideal scenario for most tax lien investors because it offers a return without the complexities of foreclosure. This process is straightforward, but the timeline for receiving your money depends on the local government's processing speed. Some counties disperse funds quickly, while others may take weeks or even months. It's essential to stay in touch with the tax collector's office to ensure you receive your payment promptly. Additionally, the interest earned can vary based on the state's regulations. Some states calculate interest based on the full amount owed, while others use a monthly or annualized rate. Be sure to check the specific terms in your jurisdiction so you know exactly what to expect. However, what if the owner doesn't pay? That's where things get interesting. The risk of non-payment means you must prepare for the possibility of foreclosure, which could lead to either a great opportunity or unexpected challenges. Understanding the next steps is crucial to protecting your investment. Step 4. The foreclosure process. If the lien isn't redeemed. If the property owner fails to repay the lien within the redemption period, you may have the right to initiate foreclosure and potentially take ownership of the property. However, this process varies significantly by state and can be complex. What to expect during foreclosure? Some states require you to file legal notices before foreclosing. Others require you to petition the court for the right to take on ownership. Additional liens or debts on the property could complicate things. You may need to pay legal fees and additional costs to complete foreclosure. Understanding your state's specific foreclosure laws is crucial before moving forward. Step 5. Taking ownership of the property. If the foreclosure is successful, you now legally own the property. But this doesn't always mean instant success. Many tax lien properties are distressed due to long periods of neglect, as homeowners who struggled to pay property taxes often couldn't afford regular maintenance either. Before making any decisions, it's important to thoroughly inspect the property. Structural issues such as roof damage, plumbing failures, electrical hazards, or even infestations could require costly repairs. If the home is in poor condition, you'll need to evaluate whether it's worth renovating or selling as is. Another key consideration is existing liens or debts attached to the property. Winning a tax lien auction does not necessarily erase all financial obligations tied to the home. Some liens, like those from the IRS, may take precedence and need to be resolved before you can fully claim ownership. Mortgage lenders may also have rights to the property, and unpaid utility bills or homeowners association fees might still be enforceable. Conducting a thorough title search and consulting with a real estate attorney can help you navigate these challenges and avoid costly surprises. In some cases, previous owners or tenants may still occupy the property. If they refuse to leave, you may need to go through the formal eviction process, which varies by state and can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. Some investors opt for a cash-for-keys approach, offering the occupants financial compensation to vacate the property voluntarily, which can be a faster and less stressful alternative. If eviction is necessary, be prepared for potential legal fees, court appearances, and, in some cases, damage to the home left by disgruntled tenants. Despite these challenges, acquiring property through tax liens can be a lucrative strategy with careful planning. The key is to conduct thorough research before purchasing a lien, have a financial plan for potential repairs or legal costs, and work with professionals when necessary. Step 6. Managing or selling the property. Once you take ownership, you have several options. Sell it immediately for a profit. Fix it up and rent it out for passive income. Hold on to it for long-term appreciation. Each choice has pros and cons, so consider your financial goals and local real estate market before making a decision. Final thoughts. Is tax lien investing right for you? Tax lien investing can be a low-cost entry into real estate, offering high returns with relatively low risk. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and due diligence. Key takeaways. Winning a tax lien at auction gives you a tax lien certificate, not property ownership. The redemption period allows the owner time to repay the lien, during which you earn interest. If the owner doesn't pay, you may have the right to foreclose and take ownership. Owning the property comes with risks and responsibilities, so be prepared. Before diving in, always research your state's tax lien laws, and if needed, consult with real estate or legal professionals. We wrap up here. Tax lien investing can be a powerful way to build wealth, but knowing the process is key to making smart decisions. Whether you're looking for passive income or aiming to acquire properties at a fraction of the cost. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts or any questions you have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on real estate investing. We have more insightful content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.